Run-on team and some couple of young guys coming off the bench, including Jone. So, yeah, no, it's exciting for them, exciting for us as a family. It'll be good to see Jone come off and get himself some minutes today. Yeah. Just the basics, you know. Just stick to some core roles, make his tackles, gain some running meters, and just organize defense. That's probably one of his strengths growing up as a kid and a schoolboy rugby player. I spoke to him last night. He's pumped and he's keen to get stuck in. Mom's come over from Busratu in Tewa. My two sisters, one's a teacher in Budalevu. My sister lives in Suva. So there's a few Crusaders supporters, and Jone's got a few for himself. So they've got t-shirts up as well. So I flew in from Auckland yesterday. Oh. Yeah, so just to watch Jone come off the bench, and hopefully he does well. And then I'm back home tomorrow. Fly out to Auckland. Yeah, I'm backing the Crusaders to do the job. Yeah, I don't think so. The sun's not out, which is good for them. They've been here two days. They were here last year. They didn't do really that bad, so should be a good game. I think they'll be up for it. Fans just come out and enjoy the spectacle of rugby. It's a game one will win, one will lose, but hopefully the boys can put on a good show for all of us to enjoy. Yeah.